Talk about removing redundant attributes in entity sets, part of database management system course. It is important to remove redundant attributes from entity sets in a database design to ensure that the database is efficient and easy to use. Redundant attributes are those that can be derived from other attributes in the same entity set, and they can create unnecessary complexity and redundancy in the database. For example, consider a database that tracks customer orders for an e-commerce website. The customer entity set might have the following attributes: customer ID, which would be a primary key, and first name, last name, and full name. In this example, full name attribute is redundant as it can be derived from the first name and last name attributes. It is unnecessary to store the full name as a separate attribute as it can be constructed on the fly when needed by concatenating the first name and last name. To remove redundant attributes from an entity set, it is necessary to carefully review the attributes and determine which one can be derived from others. Any redundant attributes can then be removed from the entity set, and the database can be modified to reflect the changes. By removing redundant attributes, it is possible to simplify the structure of the database and make it more efficient and easier to use. It is an important part of the database design process and can help to ensure that the database is well organized and easy to maintain. Thank you for watching.